Well, we're back again. I went looking for a strap wrench, couldn't find one, but I did find a couple of what you would call a faucet wrench here. And the idea on that is that you can, if you're working under a sink and you can't put a wrench up around the pipe and the nut that's holding the pipe into your sink, you can stick one of these on there. Then when you turn it here with this, it tightens and lets you loosen the nut. I don't know what it's telling me there. Said something's wrong. Anyway, that it would loosen the nut under the sink for the faucet, and you hand screw it, unscrew it to do the rest of the work, and then you use one of these to tighten it. Now, if you ever replaced the pipe, drain pipe going to your sink, that's a much bigger flat nut that holds that in. That's what one of these things is for. I would not recommend using these ever on plastic. I would not recommend using them to get a stuck oil filter off of a car. They'll tear the can up real easy.